Okay, we're on. Oh. What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic, and thank you for tuning into this freaking awesome video. I have a cool pair of shoes for you guys. This is going to be a cleaning / restoration tutorial. Are you ready? It is not a hype shoe. Thank you to one of my customers. He actually brought a pair of 2010 made in Taiwan Anfernee 1 Orlando colorway to fix it up, clean inside and out as best that I can. I gotta be very careful though, this is very delicate. It's falling apart. He also wants me to glue any rubber areas, whatever, oops, that's coming off. As you can see, this is gonna be not so fun, but I don't care, this is gonna be fun for me. Finally, my real reaction is showing out. Oh my god, oh, I got tears. This is gonna be so exciting. Frick, Leon, get yourself together. Oh man, I love Anfernee. I loved his game. A little bit too close. And I actually love his shoes. Foamposites, you name it. Anfernee 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, the Zoom rookies, I've worn those before. Little penny Foamposites. This is classic. I can't believe he actually managed to find this pair of shoes on eBay. And yeah, this is how it looks like right now. Check out the bottoms. We're gonna clean the bottoms. We're gonna clean the entire upper, the inside. The stinky insoles, I don't want to take it out. Glue any areas like I mentioned earlier. So you're gonna need sneaker cleaning solution. I'm getting too excited. All 3 freaking rejuvenator brushes, acetone, and an applicator, cotton ball, whatever, to strip off the old glue. Let it dry before you put on the new glue on. If you have contact cement, any good crap that's gonna glue rubber, soles like this, I have shoe glue in this case, it's gonna be fine. You're gonna need a bunch of clean freaking cloths. You don't need a Walmart bag. You're gonna need some shoe trees. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm sorry guys. Look at the synthetic nubuck. It's cracking. I gotta be careful though. I don't really want to clean this shoe with the wet cleaning method. I'm a little worried because I don't want this material to start flaking off more, but we need to get the shoe clean. So I'm gonna dry brush it first with the medium brush, get all the dust, dirt off, and then we're going to go ahead and clean the shoes. Q-tip. Thank you. Sealing. Q-tip. I'm going to demonstrate really quickly right now. Remember, this side is actually really bad and you're trying to clean off the old glue. Using acetone, it's not going to work very well. So you might have to use the heat gun to carefully soften up the old glue first and then use acetone to wipe it off. Let's just carefully make sure you wear a mask. In this case, I do not have a mask because I care about your health more than my health. Make sure you cap this back on so you don't make boo-boos. Now let's grab this and I'm just gonna stick this in between carefully. There we go. And just kind of do this. Make sure I get rid of as much crap as possible. It's like cleaning Penny Hardaway's ear. Woo! So I'm gonna do a few times. Make sure that it's clean. The surface is all good to go before you put glue. Otherwise, if you don't, it's not gonna stick. Acetone on my Q-tippity tip, and I'm just cleaning away. Oh, these pennies are looking good. I can't believe I'm done. Oh, what's up, YouTube? Ready for the big reveal? Okay, let's count down. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I got a haircut. That's actually very important. So off camera, what I did was I cleaned the entire interior of the right side of the shoe. Just like the left side, I used tape to remove all the nasty buildup of dirt, hair, spiderwebs, all that kind of crap. And then I used a soft bristle brush to clean and massage the interior. I did 2 rounds. This is pretty much done. I just have to clean the bottoms one more time. I already glued the peeling off areas, and I'm going to clean off any excess glue. Shoelaces are all clean. The only thing left is to actually glue this flappy lip. The rubber, the air bubble, it's already cleaned off with acetone, and I actually hand detailed with a little bit of solution, cleaning solution, just to make sure any of the cotton ball kind of lint is gone, because that's one of the problems with using cotton balls. Goddamn lint. If you got masking tape, if you have masking tape, make sure you get some. Oh, Leon, Sneaker Clinic, he's out. Penny Hardaway is better than Vince Carter. Oh man. Is it good? Okay. Good morning, YouTube. Wait, what time is it? Let me check my watch. Rolex watch. Good afternoon. This is done. I can't believe it. Finally. I think I slept for like a week. This is taking too long. I apologize to my customer. If you're not happy with my work, go somewhere else. This is the left side. A little bit slower for you slow pose, because this is a video after all. You can definitely pause. This is the bad side with the flappy lips. Remember how it used to look like in the beginning of this video? There's the bottom. This was all flapping and peeling off. This is how much left. Jesus, mother. Put the clean insoles back inside the shoe. Tie it up. Take sexy photos. Actually, because I cleaned the inside, I can actually do a smell test. There's no more hair, lint, all that crap. I just cleaned it up. Good. Didn't show you on camera the gluing process because I didn't want to show too much boo-boos in this video. I used a tool and then carefully kind of like apply the glue once the surface is clean. If you didn't think this video was helpful at all, like, oh my god, Leon didn't even show anything. He just skipped the process, did everything off camera. Yeah, I actually did. The point of this video is actually the shoes, just to show you old school sneaker lovers. Look at this. Okay, fine. The next project, if I have another gluing, whatever, I will definitely show you guys how I do it. There's no right or wrong process. You don't even have to use shoe glue. I've used barge cement. I've used other kinds of recommended sole repair kind of glue. There's also Gorilla Super Glue Gel. Make sure you get the right one for rubber materials. Don't freaking buy wood glue, you idiots. How should I wrap this video up? Okay, Ellie. Sometimes your cuckooing and crying can get kind of annoying. No, Daddy cannot show people on YouTube that he's getting irritated by it. No. Stop!